Here is a small private beach. And we didn't have to pay to come here.
On the way to the Pandawa Beach.
Staying here. So after checking out the more busy areas and the hotspot of Bali, the hotspots, we decided to check out a bit more the more quiet areas. And yeah, we found this resort areas here in Nusa Dua. We don't have a real plan. We improvise a lot here. And we found a pretty nice small island near the resorts. And here's a temple area. We're gonna walk around here and see what we discover. There were a lot of accesses just to the resorts, so we had to ask our way through to find a public access. We could park our scooter there, pay 2,000 rupees. Then we walked the beach down until we discovered this area here. They even have a helipad over there. Here is a small private beach. Pura Bias Tugel temple. Nice, eh? That looks pretty cool. The temple looks a bit abandoned. A lot of rubbish at the coast. Obviously, most of it comes from the ocean, from the nearby coasts, when people throw rubbish into the water, and the rest comes because people are just throwing their stuff over here. Yeah, unfortunately, here was no free temple, except the abandoned one over there. So let's check out the next peninsula. Okay, we left the temple area. We are on the way to this peninsula. It seems like we found a party.
Diberi tepuk tangan yang paling meriah. Rego Orange.
What is going on?
Butuh mic?
Nomor 2 Om Ian, C.
Construction everywhere. But still, it's a beautiful beach over here. What a bamboo structure, eh? I wish we could build houses like this in Germany. Such beautiful coastlines and beaches over here in Bali. Amazing. Just have to know where to search for it. But when I recognized all the resorts, all the people in the resorts are, or most of them, what I could hear, were Russians. It's interesting, but that's what I heard also from the locals here, that a lot of tourists over here are from Russia at the moment, or since a few years. Well, yeah, it seems like they prefer the resorts. So here we have another holy temple island. Pulau Nusa Dharma, Hindu sacred place. Let's check it out. Here we are not allowed to enter. Again, a beautiful place to have a temple, eh? Nice cliffside over here. We found some hidden gems. All the coral stone over here. And we didn't have to pay to come here. Just 2,000 rupiah for parking. Surfer. Yeah, that's all beginner areas here with very small waves. Cool, cool. Beach pop-up shops, resort style. I guess there would be the entrance to the resort, but we just cross it, no? Let's go. Okay, so here's the Grand Hyatt Bali resort. It's pretty beautiful over here, but I don't know, it feels just not right. The vibes here, it feels all a bit artificial. All the trees here at the beach, everything is clean and so organized and sorted out. Feels good, but or seems good, but doesn't feel so good. I don't know why exactly, but yeah, but I wanted to see this side of Bali. Wanted to check this out. All the public toilets, everything's so clean here. It's so different than the other hotspots like Ubud or Canggu or the public spaces. It's a different world over here. Seems so fake Bali. I cannot say it often enough, but yeah, there are some people who enjoy it. There are some people who paid for it. So even the trash cans are looking fancy over here. Interesting over here. It's a very big estate. I think it's not just one resort. Here's a temple. Even this one looks not so authentic.
A nice road on the way to the Pandawa Beach.
Again over here, so good maintained, well-maintained road. I like that. The resorts have some positive effects for sure. Okay, now we have to pay, I think. Okay. For two person, yeah? 15, one person 15,000?
Yeah, one person.
Okay. And we have to get the same way out?
Yeah?
Same way?
We have another way.
But I have to pay again?
No.
Okay.
Just once again pay to
Okay, I hope so, man.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
That's why it's so well maintained here, because they take money, but if they maintain it well, then they should take money, no? Seems like this is an Instagrammable place. A lot of people are stopping here to make pictures.
No, there we have to pay for also. Yeah, we're searching for something to park where we don't have to pay, but here are just buses allowed, seems like. There comes the car behind me. There's written, park here, lot 1. Kantor management, yeah, that's 100% okay. Okay, we're gonna be on the safe side. We're gonna pay. I give up. No, we didn't have to pay. Let's see. Normally if you turn off, someone is coming. Maybe we are lucky.
The whole day I'm hurting myself here.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna check out the beach. See you over there.
Alright, we made it to Pandawa Beach. We had to pay 15k per person, but which is okay. €1, $1.20. Thing here. A lot of canoes, massages, and stuff like that over here, and birds, which I like. Tourist shops, coconuts. But yeah, I assume this looks very touristy, that the coconuts are gonna be expensive. Okay, it's crazy over here. Thank you. I think this is a. Thank you. No sun anymore. We don't need. It's. I guess this is a place where locals would go, huh? Ach du Kacke. Yeah, they are fake, but they don't look fake. Yeah, this is a pretty local place. Hello. I would say, yeah, this is a place where locals go at the weekends or something, or in the holidays. Hello, thank you. Also something which I read before on the internet, paragliding, which is not even so expensive here. You can do tandem paragliding here. Yeah, paraglide down the cliffs. Interesting. It's a shower. I'm wondering by whom it's sponsored. I don't think that they see often tourists like us walking down the streets here. We have some other Asian tourists here, as far as I can evaluate that, but Europeans or Americans or something I don't see here. Everyone looking at you. It's cool. Pretty local over here now. Oh, just when I said this, some tourists. Yeah, it seems like people go out there with a kayak at this time now, half an hour before sunset. Yeah, because they want to take pictures over there. Alright, this is the other end of the beach. As you see behind me. I'm gonna end this video over here. I hope you enjoyed this outside the box approach a bit, showing you places which are not usual in YouTube and where most of vloggers and YouTubers are not going. If so, then give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave me a comment. See you in the next one.